Hey everyone, this is Andy back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a headlight restoration kit on these headlights for my 2005 Acura TL. So you can see here the lights are kind of dull and dim, so I'm going to try to make it brighten up. So this is one side. So the first thing I did was I used painter's tape to mask the sides. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. So this is what I bought. This is a 3M headlight restoration system. So it's gonna go on a drill bit, and we're just gonna try to we're gonna prep the area first. And I already cleaned it with some Windex, so that we're gonna try to restore it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the first step is to put in this pad on your drill, and this is a yellow one. It's a P500. So basically this is what it looks like. It says P500 and it's kind of like a sand color. So this is the first finish you would go on to. So just put it on the pad and just put it on your drill bit, and then just start shaving away. Basically you just want to apply a little pressure and start sanding it down. So you sand it all the way around, and then we're going to continue to the next step. Really this you need two hands, so I'm gonna put it down and start sanding it away. All right, after you sand out the first part, the 500 sandpaper grit, so it looks cloudy. So next thing is to put on the P800. So that's what it looks like. We'll say like 800 on it. So just put it on the drill bit and then continue on. All right, so the last part sanding is this 3000 paper. So you just got to put it on the pad, and then it says to wet the actual pad using like water or a spray bottle, and then you want to spray the headlights as well to try to get some of that dust off. So I'm gonna start doing that now, and I'll be right back. All right, so the last step is for you to take this orange foam right here, put it on the drill bit, and then you're gonna open the rubbing compound here, and then that's gonna go on the sponge part, and then you're just gonna use the drill bit to polish the lens out. So I sort of cleaned it out a little bit, and that's the final step. All right guys, so I'm done polishing the headlights. So you can see here, I think it's a little bit clearer now. I mean, much better than before, I guess. It's not gonna be perfect, but at least it's somewhat clear. This side is much better, but with this car, I think you can see in here there's condensation in here. You can see. So a little bit much clearer, but there's condensation. It's just the headlight that I have. All right, so again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe my videos. I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye bye.